Is your kitchen ready for 2026? It's time to design a space that works for you, not against you. We don't just show trends, we show the smart, sophisticated details that make a kitchen luxurious and highly functional. Dark chocolate tones are grounding and sophisticated, perfect for a timeless investment. Mixing matte and glossy surfaces is a trick designers use to achieve visual weight and make the space feel custom-made. The beauty of hidden lighting isn't just aesthetics, it's about functionality. It eliminates harsh shadows and makes task lighting soft, protecting your eyes and highlighting the stone's true color. The kitchen is the heart of the home, not a showroom. Cozy touches, like a small herb garden or personal inspiration wall, are crucial. They introduce life and personality, making the space instantly welcoming to the family and guests. Highlight one accent element, like a chocolate wall with a creamy sofa or golden stripe. Mirrors or metallic panels reflect light and make your kitchen feel larger. Mix wood, stone, metal, and fabric textures for depth and a premium feeling. Don't forget the cozy touches. A small rug by the sink, a mini stool with cushion, or little candles and lamps can create a warm corner. Natural light with mirrors makes the space brighter and more open. Add subtle aromas and textures, like lavender in small jars or wooden cutting boards with golden details. Thank you for spending this moment with us. If you dream of a home that feels calm, elegant, and truly yours, you're in the right place. Subscribe to Chic and Elegant Home Decor for more timeless ideas and gentle inspiration every week. Let's design beauty together.